Hello everybody. Today we're going to be learning about prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase modifies a verb by answering where, when, how, and other questions. In English, this appears as I sleep at night or Cornelia walks under the trees. Prepositional clauses are made of a preposition and a noun in either the accusative or ablative case. In review, the accusative case is used for direct objects and is as follows: em, as, os, is. The ablative case is used for prepositions and is as follows: a, o, I, is, ibis. Don't forget the long marks over the a, o, e, and the is and is. Now, how do you tell if a preposition uses the accusative or ablative case? Look at the dictionary information. A preposition will be notated as de, prep plus ablative, comma, about, or prope, prep plus accusative, comma, near. An easy way to remember what prepositions use the ablative case is the ablative cheer. This is something you should memorize. It is as follows: ab cum de, ex in pro, sine sub. There are a few special cases you should know about before we see these phrases and sentences. First of all, in, used with a noun in the accusative, is translated as into. Secondly, in and a noun used in the ablative case is translated as in or on. Third, ex turns to simply e when it's followed by a word starting with a consonant, such as ex rames, out of the branches. Ab follows the same rule as above. It turns to a. When these 8 prepositions appear in sentences, they will be accompanied by a noun in the ablative case. Here are some examples. In media atrones interpellat. He interrupted in the middle of the speech. Notice how the in media turns into in the middle. The next example is piscis e rivo exergit. The fish jumps out of the river. Notice that the x turns to an e because rivo starts with a consonant. The last example using the ablative case is sine calceo currit. Notice that sine is a preposition in the ablative cheer, and therefore calceo, meaning shoes, is taken with the ablative case. And now here are some examples using the accusative case. Cornelia and Wielam currit. Cornelia runs into the house. Because in is accompanied by a noun in the accusative case, it is translated as into. The next example is canis prope arborum sedit. The dog sits near the tree. Notice that prope is not in the ablative cheer, so it takes an accusative direct object, arborum. The last example is ad Wielam reddit. He returns to the country house. Notice that ad does not take the ablative case, nor does it lose its second letter. This is because it is not its close counterpart ab with a b, which means from. And this finishes our lesson on prepositional phrases.